Mail call. Hello, everybody. CW here. I got a package from Tim S. Let's see what we got in here. SBK here. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got an envelope. Oh, we got a patch. I like that. CW. Oh, patch and a, okay. And a backer. And it looks like a card. Timmy won the prize that we did on Georgia Shooting Connection on a Friday night. And this is just a thank you for your donation and the cost to ship it to me. It's greatly appreciated, Tim. We made him a whole bunch of bullets. We got him dyes. We got him a whole bunch of reloading stuff. He won a couple of prizes on a raffle that we had, on a prize we had raising money for Scotsman. And this is just a thank you. And you're very welcome, Tim. Very, very welcome. We're happy we could do it for you. Got a neat patch for my wall. Very cool. Thank you, sir. It is most appreciated. Hope you're enjoying it. We want to see videos on what you're making. We got you a whole bunch of bullets. I mean, we sent you bullets. You're not going to need bullets for years. All right, everybody. Sneak peek at a project coming up. This is that cricket pistol. I'm going to glass bed it, and I'm going to pillar bed it. There's the pillar. I made that up this afternoon. Made a new screw. Here's the old screw. I used to use an escutcheon in the stock with a screw. And, well, it works, but it's not my first choice. We will pillar bed it proper and then glass bed this whole section here. Glass bed all that. And it won't move around. We'll fill in this hole. It'll be good. It'll be really good. Stay tuned for that video coming up. All right. God bless everybody. You're very welcome, Tim. CW out.